Hey, this is Jon Modene with Remax Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate here in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my Northwest Ohio real estate update is what kind of mortgage types are buyers like you using in 2023? It's a good question, and I appreciate people asking questions. Keep them coming. And again, without money or without financing, there's no real estate market. None. Nothing moves without financing. Nothing closes without money. And nothing you own will sell, and you can't buy anything either without money. So real estate can be properly viewed as the relationship between real property and hard money. And again, I have my mortgage guru and friend, Rich Kopronica of Midwest Mortgage, on this one to help answer these questions and give us some more context. Rich, let's take a look at the four main types of loans that buyers are using in Northwest Ohio, and we'll throw in maybe a special one at the end here. So number one, there's the standard conventional mortgage. Rich, pros and cons today in 2022.
Yeah, John. So pros of conventional, I mean, it's a pretty standard mortgage and it's accepted by a lot of folks. One of the cons is where the conventional mortgage uses what's called risk-based pricing. So the better credit you have or situation, the better terms you're going to get. But let's say you're not quite perfect, that can actually work against you. You have a higher rate, higher PMI. So those are some of the cons of conventional lending.
So there's a range of cost points for conventional mortgage depending on your credit.
Correct.
Your credit score, your credit rating, how much money you're spending now, and how much money you're making. So it's not a yes or no thing. It's a depends.
Correct. Yes.
Number two, there's the Toledo favorite FHA mortgage. It actually predominates most months in Lucas County. Rich, is this great or best for first-time buyers, or can anyone or should anyone use it? The FHA.
No, FHA is a great loan. Again, the FHA. What they do is they essentially insure a mortgage, therefore making it less risky for a lender, which gives us the opportunity to expand our qualifying criteria for the borrowers. Maybe not so perfect credit, a little bit lower of a down payment. Those options become available to more homeowners.
Otherwise, a great program. And if you can't fit in a conventional, we often put you in a FHA, and the rates are broadly the same, correct?
Yeah, they're really, across the board, whether you have a 740, a 640, essentially everybody gets the same rate, which was one of the benefits of FHA.
Okay. Number three would be a great tool if you're a veteran. If you're not a veteran, don't even apply. But the VA loan. I love VA loans, and they often get a bad knock in the public. But Rich, what do you think about a VA loan product?
I would say that 9 times out of 10, a veteran who is eligible to use their VA loan should use it. It is a fantastic program, 100% financing, no PMI, and there's a couple situations. Let's say that the veteran is eligible to receive a disability benefit. The VA actually waives the funding fee, so it is hands down a phenomenal loan product.
Yeah, love the VA. The bad knock is just we can overcome that and usually explain the differences to a hesitant seller who wants to sell their house but has a VA offer on it. So I love VA loans. And number four, here's the oddball, the cash out refi. It's my favorite type of loan today. Listen, we have a nationwide shortage of listings for sale, rental properties for sale. There's lots of cash sloshing around and in the hands of hungry investors on both coasts coming into the Midwest. And if you want to buy that type of product, a rental property, a ranch house in Waterville, an inexpensive house in Perrysburg or Rossford or Sylvania, you almost have to make a cash offer on that property today because there are so many loans, so many other offers coming in. So the cash out refi is pretty simple. You pay cash, usually from savings or a HELOC on your house, and then you take a loan after you have closed on the property and take your cash back out. Is that a good statement? You're doing those, right, Rich?
Yes, that's considered delayed financing. So it allows you to get in the home, use the cash, execute the contract, and then turn right back around and remove 75 to 80% of the loan to value back from the property. So it's essentially the same as buying it with the money down, but allows you to kind of be a little more nimble in your offer.
No stigma on that with the house. No stigma on your credit. It just plain works.
Yep,
and you know what?
Straightforward.
You either get the house or you don't, and a lot of my clients are doing this today. And then number five, and this is the curveball for physicians. It's a great product. It's the greatest doctor deal loan of all, which is basically a physician loan. And a couple of big banks do those, and you sell those too, I think, right, Rich?
Correct. Yep. We do have physician loans available. They're both to practicing doctors or dentists, as well as residents. Great benefit is it's anywhere from 100% to 10% down, no PMI, and will qualify on future income.
Yeah, 100% LTV, no PMI, best loan out there for all. So the real estate market's constantly changing. It never stops. And we're doing things today at my team in marketing and selling homes that were impossible 20 or 30 years ago. So my team is always changing too. We're looking for more buyer agents, by the way, if you're looking for an entry into the real estate business. And our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. This tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts. Always tell the truth. Always treat others better than you would want to be treated. And we can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. Rich, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
If you need help, if you have real estate questions, if you want to sell or buy, just call John. I'm at 419-466-SOLD. Check us out at modene.com or 466sold.com or MLStoledo.com for every house on the MLS today. Thanks for watching.